This is the brand new DJI Mic Mini 2, and this is the really nice system that you get. It's all inclusive in this charging case here. You've got the receiver, you've got two transmitters, which is the two microphones, and the front of the microphones actually has a really nice magnetic design. So I'll just remove that wind shield there, and this is a magnetic front, so you can attach whatever you need to, and it comes with different colors. But I've got this really exclusive color combo pack. It's actually from an artist, Victo. So this is a collaboration between DJI and Victo. And I just wanted to show you how much love has gone into this. I don't know how, does this just slide maybe? Oh, it comes both sides. Now what happens? Oh, there we go. We got it. It's one of these ones. There we go. Ooh, there we go. Wow. Look at those designs. Look how pretty they are. So, completely unique. They've got their own flair, their own unique look to them. And so the idea is that you just take it off and it magnetically connects on like that. That's the whole premise, and it's just so unique. They've got such a flair to them, so you can work this around your outfits for your videos, and then the case, as you can see, just magnetically connects back on. This is the other microphone here, so we'll just attach all of them so you can see the look. We'll attach that one. I really like this one. I do like blues, like those like light blues, so pretty. There we go. So that's those two together. Love this one, really unique. This one's cool. But yeah, just a magnetic cover. It's really that simple to just connect it up. And whenever you're done, you obviously take that off, match it up with the color. Boom, straight back on again. Love that. They are so nice. Obviously this artist has put a lot of love into this pack. And so that's what you can expect from this kit if you can get your hands on it. There it is right there. Really nice combo. Love the colors. They're bold, but they can work with a lot of different outfits. So there we go. That's the kit there. Just love that one. That one looks great. And then we'll go back to this one more time. That purpley blue with a little bit of yellow. A little bit of blue, a little bit of purple, a little bit of orange, a little bit of yellow, all sorts of colours going on. There we go, look at that. So cool. There we go. So that's the kit from Victo. Beautiful work here. Really beautiful stuff.